Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. Just before we get in today's Dollhouse update, I just wanted to share some local crafting with you. The wonderful postbox, people have been at it again, and it is a glorious summer postbox topper on one of the local postboxes. We've got a badger, we've got loads of bees, flowers, honeycomb, and even the bee hive as well. So it's looks beautiful and everybody in the area is raving about it, and it really cheers everyone up. I'm just going to share with you a quick update on the lounge living room today. It was originally downstairs. Half of it was the kitchen, half of it was a lounge office. So that I have changed in my 2024 renovation. The kitchen and the dining room are now downstairs. The office is in the attic. The bedroom has moved up to the attic, and the living room has moved into where the bedroom was. So I haven't made too many changes just yet. I do like to sort of see how things look and then work on them. Now, I was looking at this picture that I'd put up behind the TV, was in the original living room, and obviously it's now too big for there. So I thought, well, that's got to change. Also, I thought I might change the wall because there was a wardrobe stuck to it. And when I took the wardrobe away, there's now a bit of a rip. So the TV hides it. But I thought, well, it's time to freshen that up and make it a bit of a feature wall. So I looked at my trusty scrapbooking card making papers from the range, and I've got a lovely collection of rose gold ones. So I chose this geometric design. And then I just pulled the wall out because I kind of never secured it, because I thought it was always handy to bring it out because it helps you get into the rooms easier. Obviously, the bathroom vanity is on the one side, and the TV is going to be on the other side. So I just drew round it to get the size, and then used my paper cutter to cut it out, and then just cut the door with scissors. And then I've glued it on. And I've put a new picture above the telly now. I've got one of those lovely vintage travel posters for Riva Torboli in Lake Garda. And I thought, well, actually, why not go for a whole sort of travel poster theme? So I did have this as a calendar last year. This is where these pictures have come from. And I did put a couple of them up, but I thought, well, I'm going to put more up. So I've created a little group of 3. So we've got the French Riviera, Egypt and Painton. And then on the other wall, there's La Toquette, Paris Plage. And I have actually been to all of these places. So I do think it's important to have, memories of places that you've been to. And I love the vintage travel railway posters, I think they were originally. So that is the artwork taken care of. I have kept the bookcase that was in the bedroom. I've put a glass vase with some florals on the top for now, although I think I do change that and move it into the kitchen at a later date. So I will be doing a home tour perhaps next week, and you'll see where everything sort of ends up until the next time, of course. But yes, the bookcase has got books and clock and ornaments and stuff, so that works for living room as well. I haven't done anything with the settee. I've kept the cosy throws on it, and I've put the pink cushions on sort of summer. I could change the throws to summery ones. That might be something that I do. So the coffee table I've put in the living room now came from the roof terrace that I had before, and I've just dressed it with another transparent vase with some florals and some greenery in, an interior design magazine and a book and a candle. So that's all that little objet d'art on there. I have a plant in the corner of the room on a pedestal. And I have added a little side table. I think it was a lid to some beauty product of some sort. And I thought, well, that could go on the end, a nice little end table for the settee. And that's a place where you can keep your drinks. So that's what I've done so far. Have a good look round. I'm thinking I might change the wallpaper, the birds, to perhaps some more of that lovely rose gold geometric. I could change the carpet, although I do love the carpet. You know me, I will come up with new ideas. Might do a new settee, maybe some new furniture. But at the moment, I'm very happy with it. I've loved my little 2024 renovation, and you know, but I'm sure there are some more ideas that I could come up with. If there's anything you think I've missed, please let me know. I always like a little challenge from my viewers, and sometimes I do make things that people suggest. So, yeah, definitely enjoy hearing from you. Have a look round by yourself for a little bit, and then I'll be back to show you in the bathroom. While we're on the second floor, have a quick look in the bathroom. At the moment, I'm very happy with the bathroom. As I said, I've got my vanity unit that I'm really happy with. I have added that little seahorse art piece. I've got my summery coloured towels in there. And I'm really happy with the toilet and the toilet rolls, so it's looking nice. I may, have to do a renovation on it at some point, probably. There's always the idea maybe change to a bath instead of a shower, although I do love a shower. But at the moment, I'm very happy with the bathroom, and it sits very nicely next to the living room. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Give me a like, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So, until next week, take care. Bye-bye.